people. Right now, I don't even feel the vibes, man. I tell you people, it's been a really sad couple weeks, couple days right now. Eh? You know, try it first. You know, try it already? Every day this man play around with me boy. Alright people, I'm going to switch to the GoPro here now. See it start there. Alright guys, I hope you can hear me because my microphone stopped work again. So I actually have to just talk to the camera audio. Okay, let's go. One day I'll come over here to come review them by then. But guys, let's all come over here. So. Easy back right there. So yeah, little. It's been a sad 24 hours. Not even sad 24 hours, but like sad month. You know? From last month to this month. You know? Stand the bike. You know, we've lost a couple bikers, you know, and honestly it hard, brother, because especially some of them were, you know, people where you've basically known. You see it, guys. It's been rough. Losing people basically where you've interacted with and so forth in the whole bike life. You see me? It's rough. Even though some of them I don't know personally, it hard to say we are losing so many persons in the whole bike life sector, bro. Like I want we as bikers to live for grey or live till we old, till we are 50, 60. Some of we probably can't have a ride at them time. You see me? I want we live to see them age, they have a little son or a daughter or a little grandpitney, and we can say to them, say, yo, you see me? Me used to be like you when me young, me used to do this pan bike, now me there. I want we live to see them age, dog. Me no want every now and then a man a fear post up RIP and a man a fear say yo gone too soon. You see me? Young people a drop out. You see it? You know, like guys, me can't really think right now. It's rough, dog. Me I make that video post after lee stunt or leeching. You see me? We reach our work this morning, good and everything. A matter of fact, from I wake up this morning, you know, me never in the mood for even ride my bike. You see it? Me just in our mood for drive. And if you don't know me is not really a person where I could just jump and drive. So I rather ride a bike 24/7 down for drive. So this morning I just get up in that mood there and reach our work and good and everything, and a man call me and say, yo, me here say leeching drop out. I say, what you mean drop out? Yeah dog, really. I'm gonna go some boops and make 2 circles in one group and do this and do that, and brother, when me I see, honestly, when me I see, me never like it, brother. And who supposed to like that? The fact that yo the man just lay down on the yo dog, it rough, brother. You see this whole bike life thing, guys, me don't want to not take it lightly. And enough of we out there, we do something on bike and we don't realize that you just take one little mess up and we get frig. Yeah dog, one little mess up and we get frig. And we just want the man to be more careful out there, people. You see me? Get a helmet. buy a helmet. Even one cheap helmet if so be it. You see it? Something, brother, to protect yourself, protect your head. You see it? Because a lot of the crashes where are going now, the man then don't have no helmet, the pillion have no helmet, nothing. And then the injuries result in life-threatening injuries. You see me? Not to mention my good brethren, Chin, aka Sauce Boss. You see me, from Iconic Bikers. Him drop out last month, September. I make that video now in October. Him drop out. Well, he met in the accident in September and him drop out a week after the accident, basically. You see me? And me are telling you people that one day did rock me hard, cause him is a man where basically him, you see me, him just, dog, I'm an introvert. So being around him, me not feel like an introvert. Them man they just want to have a good time, and man they just want to go out. You see me? If me for call him and say, yo, river, man say, where you going? Which river? Where? Him that did it. You see it? So me just send out a message for all of the bikers, guys. Just, we don't need to be more careful on the road. You see me? Me know enough drivers they out there where do some friggery. Me not gonna leave that out. Cause just last week a driver nearly lit me and my pillion off of the vehicle. You see me? Me there in a 3-lane road and me there in the right lane, and the man a come from way over the left lane, come straight over upon me, and when he come over upon me, all he could have say is sorry, because he never look. You see me? So me just want the man them to be more careful, people. In really and truly, me just want to be more careful. I want to think about this. Remember, say, at the end of the day, you have family. As much as you might not talk to your mother, father, sister, brother, whoever, you have family, you have people who care about you, you have friends, you have support groups, you have people who care about you. Whenever you meet in an accident and you are dead, we are left to bear that pain for the rest of our life. As long as we live, we are going to bear that pain there. We want to think about that. So before we go out there and do some dilly-dally on the main road in front of some car and do this and do that, think about what would happen if something happen, basically. If loose dirt catch you, think about what would happen. You see me? You see, like, you're so with me there now, you're so good. No vehicle no there, so you can't go on with all sort of madness. You see me? But still think about what happened to you if you're injured. You see me? But at the same time, years or now, you don't have no vehicle, you don't have nothing where can come into play. You see me? Unless you drop and hit your head, but at the same time, remember you have to wear your helmet when you do certain things. You see it? Me just, God believe me, yo, dog. Yo, as much as I didn't know Gotti, then call him, or Leaching personal, it's like this kind of band where, not really band, but this kind of connection with me and him share, it just different. It's just different, brother. You see me? It's like make the man see me down this and the man just come and yell me up, bust 2 stunts and gone. You see me? I always watch a man video them and the man just inspire me, brother. When me learn how to wheelie, the man just inspire me, dog. And I watch it. I don't even know, I'm watching man video them zoom in on all when him using foot brake and anything and just to understand certain things, brother. You see me? I just want all of them and them to be careful. One Almighty, you be careful. Helmet, be careful. Kiefer, you see me? Slice, Stripe. Yo, me nah name out everybody, but all of the man them are in the game. Stunting game where they stunt, where they just ride by normal. All of my close friend them. Me just want all of you to be careful, please, and just think about actions before you do certain things. Me I beg you. Just think about the repercussions. Think about what happened. And leave it up to that, brother. Don't act like you don't have a family because somebody cares about you. Please. Yo, John was star. Even I make that video too long, yeah, people. Yo, just please. If if you can get a gear, get a helmet, and just be mindful of what you do on the road, please. I beg you. Until we talk again, I'm out.